Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite USAG tools that we have on offer, the dual action reversible grip ratchet. This awesome tool allows you to use a traditional ratchet lever action, but it also features a secondary action in that you can twist the grip to actuate the socket. The 60-tooth design is great for high torque applications, and that secondary action allows you to loosen and remove and tighten and secure fasteners in incredibly tight spaces, which is a great feature. It features an incredibly ergonomic grip and a quick release button for those quick socket swaps. We feature a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch drive iteration of this tool. This is the best executed design of this dual action concept, and we've put it to the test extensively in our restoration shop. I just wish we had it a lot sooner so I could avoid some of the scars that I have on my knuckles. Thank you for watching. For more information on USAG tools and our entire lineup, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.